Welcome to Vertical Waves. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, so this here is the same as 2 exponent 2 exponent 2 bracket x plus 1 is equal to 16. So this, having this and this is 2 exponent 4, which bracket x plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay, now you can see that this here is same as 2 into bracket 4 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay, so with this, you can see that 2 exponent 4x plus 4 is equal to 16. Okay, now you can also say that 16 here is 2 exponent 4. So we have 4 exponent 4x plus 4 is equal to 2 exponent 4. Okay, so now the bases are the same, so we create the exponent. So we have 4x plus 4 is equal to 4. So 4x is equal to, this will convert to 4 minus 4. So 4x is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 4. So we have x is equal to 0. Okay. Now let's check to see whether x is equal to 0 satisfy the expression. So check. Now we are having so is we have 2 exponent 2 exponent 2 bracket x is 0, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 16. So we have 2 exponent 4 bracket 0 plus 1 is 1, is equal to 16. Okay, so this is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and it should be equal to 16. So we have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 times 2, which is 4. And this should be equal to 16. So 4 times 4 is 16, which is equal to 16. So indeed, it means that our x is equal to 0. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting questions. Bye.